Greetings to all learners. Myself Sharda Devre welcomes you to the lecture 29, that is a case study 9 on the Kani tribes under the week 6 IPR and protection of traditional plant drugs knowledge. Kani tribal people lives in the Kerala state, the South India, that is a Thiruvananthapuram district, and it is in the Western Ghat area, which is well known for its rich heritage of the medicinal and aromatic plants. The Kani tribal people are also very well known for their rituals, their practices, their specific attire, and especially for their traditional knowledge. And again, especially for the medicinal plants and derived products they use to cure the more than 40 to 50 type of the common ailments. Today, in we are going to learn about this particular plant, that is Arogya Pacha, which is used by the Kani tribes for the energy maintenance or stamina maintenance. They can chew it and remain without the food for a whole day. Arukipacha plant is called as scientifically Trichopas zelanicus stravangorius, and this plant is used by the tribal people, Kani tribal people, for the sudden flush of energy and strength. And the scientists from the Tropical Botanical Garden and Research Institute, that is a TBGRI of India, visited to this Kani tribal people, and through the various discussions and through the knowledge sharing, they developed the Jivni formulation from this Arogya Pacha. They did a lot of scientific work on that, and after successful development of the Jivni formulation for the maintenance of the energy, strength, or stamina, this particular formulation licensed to the Arya Vaidya Pharmacy Coimbatore, which is the very famous popular Ayurvedic company in India, and it was licensed for the 10 lakh rupees. Now, this may look very simple to the learners, but actually this case is the landmark case, and we should feel proud on the TBGRI scientist, because these Indian scientists played the very important role not only in development of the Jivni formulation from the traditional knowledge of the Kani tribes, but they shared the benefits which are obtained by from the selling of this Jivni formulation. They established the Kerala Kani Samudayak Kshema Trust in 1997, and they shared the 50% of the license fee as well as the 50% of the royalty to these Kani tribal people. Through this royalty or license fee, these people developed the various education, medical, banking facilities at their village, and they got the various type of the other benefits, especially the awareness related to their own traditional knowledge, and consent they have to give to the scientist, and how they can get benefit from the commercialization equally by benefiting to the society also. So this case has thrown the light on the various other aspects of the CBD laws for the tribal people, for the sovereign rights of the nations, and then the role of the scientist, role of the big giant companies in commercialization of such products, and then selling it to the poor people. So there are a lot of issues which has been gain the importance, or they came into the discussion through this Kani tribal case for the Arogya Pacha plant. Even the WHO has taken a note, and further many of the tribal people from all over the world raised their voices for their traditional knowledge, and thus ask for the benefits from the commercialization of their knowledge mediated products. Further, in 2008, the process patent of Jivni ended as per the term or duration that is given to the Jivni hubs by the Indian Patent Office. But this case has given hope to the many tribal people, because when they are sharing their traditional knowledge, any type of, not only medicinal but any type of traditional knowledge, and if someone, either the group of the scientists or any institute or companies are commercializing that and they are getting benefits, they must have to share it with the original holders. Thus, in this lecture 29, case study 9 of the Kani tribes for the plant Arogya Pacha, we have learned that we must have to give the benefits to the original holder of the traditional knowledge. We should not be too selfish, that we should not exploit such a knowledge of any nation, because in neem case, basmati case, turmeric case, we have seen that this type of the exploitation is found common, and those people who are illiterate, they are not knowing about the various technological advancement, or they are not having the uh, laboratories, sophisticated laboratories, or for commercialization they are not awareing about the rules of licensing or the technology transfer agreement. We literate people must help them. We share their knowledge through the consent. We have to use this knowledge either for the product development or process development to the commercialization. Then we must share the benefits to them. So hope all learners will remember this particular Kani tribal case and will exploit the traditional knowledge for the benefit of the society, and will share the benefits to these holders also. Thank you.